Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we can discuss the some mensuration problems. The first problem, the dimensions of a cuboidal storage space is 20 meters, 25 meters and 10 meters. How many boxes of dimension 2 meters, 1.25 meters and 1 meter can be kept on it? So for suppose n we can kept the volume of box is 2 into 1.25 into 1 is equal to the volume of the space is 20 into 25 into 10. So 2 ones, 2 tens, remove the decimal point, we need to keep the 100. So 25 fives, 25 ones, 5 ones, 5 twos. So 2000. B is our answer. Next, we go the second question. What will be the area of the semicircle whose perimeter is 72? The perimeter of semicircle is pi r plus 2r. So r can common, pi value is 22 by 7. So 22 by 7 plus 2 equal to 72. 7 to 14, 14 plus 22 it is 36. So r into 36 by 7 is equal to 72. 36 ones, 36 twos are equal to 14 centimeters. But they are asking area. Area of semicircle formula is half into pi value 22 by 7 into 14 into 14. 2 sevens are 14, 14 get cancelled. So 22 14s is 308 centimeter square. A is our answer. Now go the third question. Three cubes, each edge 5 centimeters are arranged to nest each other. So here a cube can arrange so the 5 plus 5 plus 5 15, it is 5, it is 5. So here length is 15, breadth is 5, height is 5. So total surface area of cuboid formula is 2 of LB plus BH plus HL. So 2 of 15 into 5 plus 5 into 5 plus 5 into 15. So 2 of 15 5 75, 5 5 is 25 plus 5 15 75. 75 plus 25 100, 175, 2 175 350 centimeter square. A is our answer. Now go the fourth question. A triangle and a parallelogram have the same base and the same area if the base sides of the triangle are 26, 28, 30 centimeters and the parallelogram stands on a base 28 centimeters, then the height of the parallelogram. Here first of all we need to find the area. So all sides they giving, then the area formula is S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. So what is a semi perimeter? S equal to 26 plus 28 plus 30 by 2. The sum will be 84 by 2. It is 42. So we can substitute. So 42 into 42 minus 26, it is 16. 42 minus 28, it is 14. 42 minus 30, it is 12. So 42 can write 7 times of 6, 16 can write 4 times of 4, 14 can write 2 times of 7 and 12 can write 2 times of 6. 6 repeated 2 times, 4 repeated 2 times, 2 repeated 2 times, 7 repeated 2 times. So we can write 7 into 6 into 4 into 2. So we can multiply it, we'll get the area, but same perimeter, parallelogram area and triangle area are same. So parallelogram base is 28. So 28 into height we need to find. So 7 4s at 28 get cancelled. Height is equal to 6 2s at 12 centimeters. C is our answer. Now we can go the fifth question. If the length of each edge of a cube increased to the 3 times its initial length, then the volume becomes, for suppose initial length A increase 3A, volume is 3A cube, here volume is 3A whole cube, 3 cube is 27, A cube, how many times increase it? 27 times. Now the sixth question, a cube each of whose side is 5 centimeters will have the total surface area dash. So total surface area form 6a square, that is 6 into 5 square is 25, it is 150. So C is our answer. Next we'll go the seventh question. The ratio of the volumes of a two cylinders A and B having the radii of their bases is 2 centimeters and 3 centimeters respectively and having the same height. Heights are same, only radius are different. So what is the volume formula? Pi r square. So I'll take r1 square, h is to pi r2 square h. So pi h get cancelled. So it is 2 square is to 3 square, that is 4 is to 9. C is our answer. Next we'll go the eighth question. 2250 meters of wire used to fence a rectangular flat in 3 rounds. The length of the flat exceeded to breadth by 5 centimeters. Then length is equal to breadth plus 5. What is the length of the flat? Here 3 means only one round means 1 perimeter. So 3 rounds we can perimeter equal to 2250 by 3. 3 7 0, 5 0, 50 0, 750. So here perimeter formula is, so 2 of breadth plus length b plus 5 is equal to 750. 5 2 1s are 2 375. So 5 transfer that side, b plus b, 2b is equal to 370. Then 1 0 6 0 5, sorry 8 0 5 0. Breadth equal to 185, but they are asking length, so 185 plus 5 190. D is our answer. Now the ninth question. A solid metallic cone of diameter 36 centimeters and height 12 centimeters is melted into made a identical solid spheres, each radius 3 centimeters. How many such spheres can made? Here, so volume of the cone is equal to the number of spheres into the volume of sphere. So volume of cone formula is 1 by 3 pi r square h. So d value is 36, then r equal to 18 centimeters. So 18 into the height is 12 is equal to the volume of sphere formula is 4 by 3 pi r cube. R value is 3. So 3 into 3 into 3 into how many spheres? N we can take it. So now 3 get cancelled, pi also get cancelled. So any cancellation, 4 1s, 4 3s, 1 3 get cancelled, 3 3s 9, 9 2s, 18 2s are 36. C is our answer. Next, go the 10th question. Find the perimeter of a square having an area equal to the area of the rhombus, the measure of whose diagonals are 8 into 16. So here rhombus area formula half into d1 into d2, that means 8 into 16 is equal to area of the square is a square. So 2 1s, 2 4s. So a square means 2 into 4, it is a. 2 4s are 8 centimeters, but they are asking perimeter, it is 4 times of 8, 32 centimeters. D is our answer. Next, the 11th question. The total surface area of the solid hemisphere is 8,848 centimeters square. What is the length of the diameter of the flat surface of the hemisphere? We need to find the diameter. So here total surface area form of the hemisphere 3 pi r square is equal to 1,848. Now 3 1s are 3 6 are 3 1s are 3 6 are. Now pi value is 22 by 7. So 22 by 7 r square equal to 616. Now do the cancellation. 11 2s, 1156, 2 1s, 2 8s. Now, sorry, 228. Now r square is equal to 28 into 7. Then r is equal to 4 into 7. Sorry, 4 not 4, 2 into 7. So 2 7s are 14 centimeters. Diameter D is equal to 2 times of 14, that is 28 centimeters. C is our answer. Next, go the 12th question. The length and width of a rectangular flat of land is 10.5 meters and 8 meters respectively. Find the cost of laying grass to the entire plot is 15.25 per square meter. So here we need to find the cost, and before find the area of the rectangular flat. So area equal to 10.5 into 8. So you can multiply it, we'll get 40, yeah, 84 meters square. Now the cost we need to find. So 84 into 15.25. So what we can do, 84 15s, 1260 plus 84 2.5s, it is 21. So the total is 1281 rupees. A is our answer. Now the 13th question. A conical tent with the base diameter is 10 meters, then radius is 5 meters. The height is 12 meters, has been made a additional 10% cloth required to wastage stitching the tent. Find the area of cloth required. So we need to cover the cloth means we need to find the curved surface area. So curved surface area formula is pi r l. L means slant height, that is L square equal to 5 square r square plus h square 12 square. So 5 12 13 are the Pythagorean triplet, then L is equal to 13. Square will form, L is 13. So we can apply, pi value is 3.14 into 5 into 13. So we can multiply. So 5 can multiply, we'll get 15.7 into 30. We can multiply 91, 65 plus 9, 14, 17, 20. So 204.1 R. So pi only. Pi as it is they giving 13 5s are 65. Pi is the answer. B is our answer. Yeah, very easy to finding. Now the 14th question. The sides of a two squares are in the ratio 4:3 and the sum of their areas is 225 centimeters square. Find the perimeter of the smaller square. So here two squares they giving, their areas are equal, that means 4a whole square plus 3a whole square. Side square is the area of the square is 225. So 4 square is 16, 3 square is 9, 16 plus 9, 25, a square equal to 225. So 25 ones, 25 nines, a is equal to 3. They are asking the smaller, so 3a is the smaller side, 3 3s are 9 centimeters, then perimeter equal to 4 times of 9, that is 36 centimeters. D is our answer. Next, the 15th question. If three solid gold spherical beads of radius 6 centimeters, 8 centimeters and 10 centimeters respectively are melted into one spherical bead, then what is the radius of the larger bead? So here volumes are same. So these type of questions they giving the what we find, that is capital R, remaining we can taking smaller r1 cube plus r2 cube plus r3 cube. Very easily we can finding. Because 4/3 pi only we have, we can cancelling that. So we can substitute 6 cube plus 8 cube plus 10 cube. 6 cube 216, 8 cube 512, 10 cube is 1000. We can add 1728. 1728 can write 12 cube. Then R is 12 centimeters. Now the 16th question. The cost of painting a cube on all the external surfaces at the rate of 2 rupees per centimeter square is 588. Find the volume of the cube. So surface area is 588 is the cost for 2 rupees per centimeter square. We can cancelling, we'll get, so 2 9s 4s 294. So surface area formula is 6a square is 294. 6 1s 6 4s 9z, then A is equal to 7 centimeters. So A is 7 centimeters, then volume is equal to 7 cube. It is 343. C is our answer. Now the 17th question. The total surface area of hemisphere is 108 pi centimeter square. What is the volume of the hemisphere? So total surface area formula is 3 pi r square is 108 pi. Pi get cancelled, 3 ones, 336. Then r equal to 6 centimeters. Now we need to find the volume. Volume of hemisphere is 2 by 3 pi r cube. So 2 by 3 pi into r value is 6 into 6 into 6. So 3 ones, 3 twos. So 6 twos 12, 6 twos 12, 12 twelves, 144 pi. So A is our answer. Now the 18th question. The area of the rectangle whose length and width are in the ratio 9:5 in the given as 180 centimeter square. Find the perimeter of the rectangle. So length 9x, breadth 5x is equal to 180. So 9 ones there, 9 20s, 5 ones, 5 fours, then x equal to 2 centimeters. So we need to find the perimeter. So perimeter equal to 2 times of 9 plus 5 into 2. So 2 2 is 4, 4 14 56 centimeters. A is our answer. Now the 19th question. The ratio of the radius of a sphere to the radius of the hemisphere is 4:5 respectively. The surface area of the sphere is what percentage more than the curved surface area of the hemisphere? So here we have sphere and hemisphere. Two we have. Here the radius we can taking 4x. Here radius is 5x. So here they asking the total surface area of the sphere, that is 4 pi r square, it is 16 x square. Here hemisphere curved surface area is 2 pi r square, so 2 pi into 25 x square. So 16 4s are 64 pi x square. Here 525 225 is 50 pi x square. So they are asking what percentage more. So here 14 pi x square is more by 50 pi x square into 100. So pi x get cancelled, 51s 52s, it is 28 percentage. C is our answer. Now the 20 question. A field is in the shape of the rhombus whose sides is 1 to 2 centimeter. The length of one of the diagonal is 240 meter. Then the area of the field. The field in the shape of the rhombus. One of the diagonal is 240. The another diagonal I will consider D, and the side is 122. Then one diagonal off we can take in 120. This diagonal off we can take in D by 2. So now we need to find. So it is forming a right angle triangle applying the Pythagoras theorem. So 122 square is equal to 120 square plus D by 2 square, that is D square by 4. So 122 square is 14884 is equal to, so 120 square is plus D square by 4. We can transfer that side, we'll do the subtraction. So 484 equal to D square by 4. Then D square is equal to 484 into 4. Then D is equal to 484. Square root of 484 is 2. Square root of 4 is 2. D is equal to 44. Now we need to find the area. Area formula half into D1 into D2. That is half into 240 is one of the diagonal. Another diagonal is 44. 2 ones, 2 22s. So 240 into 22. So do the multiplication. 0, 8, 52 centimeters square, 5280. So you can share and subscribe. Please share, subscribe this channel, and you have any more PDFs, you can join our Telegram channel. Okay.